Want to turn a simple image into a talking 3D cartoon character? In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step using Geek AI. Plus, stick around till the end to learn how to remove the watermark for free. To begin, open your browser and search for Geek AI. The first link will take you to their official website. Once you're on the homepage, tap on Get Started for free. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. If you want to use temp mail, open a new tab, search for temp mail, and select one of the results. Once on the site, a randomly generated email address will be displayed. Copy that email and return to the Geek AI sign-up page. Paste the email and tap Send Code to receive a verification code. Now, switch back to temp mail and wait for the code to arrive in your inbox. Once you receive it, copy and paste it into Geek AI to complete the verification. Finally, set a secure password, and you're ready to go. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the website homepage. A free account gives you 3 credits. To unlock more features, you'll need a premium plan. On the homepage, you'll see 5 options. Since we're creating a 3D cartoon character, select Text to Avatar Video, and by the way, I've already made another video on this platform, be sure to check it out. Once inside the Text to Avatar Video section, you'll be given 2 options. Create a character using text prompts. Upload an image to generate a custom character. For this tutorial, we'll go with the image-based method. Start by uploading an image. This could be a photo of yourself, a drawing, or any image you want to turn into a 3D character. Once uploaded, you'll need to customize a few settings. Assign a name for your character. Choose your character gender. Adjust the ratio for different video formats. Pick a voice for your character. Now, the most important setting is the Theme section. Since we want a cartoon-style character, scroll down and select Cartoon. Once selected, tap Generate Looks, and Geek AI will process your image, creating multiple 3D cartoon versions of your character. Once the different cartoon versions are generated, browse through them and select the one that best fits your vision. After selecting a look, tap Generate Avatars to finalize the design. Now, your 3D cartoon character is officially ready. But what if you want to take it a step further? Geek AI allows you to bring your character to life by using it in AI-generated videos. Once your avatar is generated, tap on it to enter the video creation editor. Here, you have several options. Type out what you want your character to say. If you prefer, you can record and upload your own custom audio. You also have the ability to add subtitles to make videos engaging. You can also add pauses in between your speech. If you need additional tweaks, tap Edit More to access advanced customization options. Once everything is set up, tap Render, and Geek AI will process the animation. This can take a few minutes, depending on the complexity of your character and video. After rendering is complete, your video is ready to download. Tap the Download button to save it to your device. However, if you're on a free plan, you will notice a watermark on the video. But here's the good news, you can remove the watermark for free. Check out our previous video, where we show you the exact method to get a clean, watermark-free animation. And that's it. You've just created a talking 3D cartoon character using Geek AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more AI video creation tips.